Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. It's been long time since I have created video. Sorry for delay. Now I will try to consistent onward and we are planning few courses to launch in our YouTube channel. In this video we will discussing a topic that is very viral today. Everyone is discussing about this topic about ChatGPT. So everyone thinking about this, the impact of artificial intelligence on job. So especially we will discuss top 20 job that can be replaced by ChatGPT in future. So is your job or career at risk? So keep watching this video. We will see how we can secure our job and how we can reduce our time taking task. So don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't uh, forget to like and share with your friends. First is software development. Like I divided into two parts, technical field and non-technical field. The first is software development. The how ChatGPT can replace this software development job. Like ChatGPT have potential to generate code. It can generate test script also. Like any other programming task you can do with ChatGPT. Yeah, many other artificial intelligence. So it means developer need to focus more on creative aspect of their job rather than the technical ones. I think you got the idea how you can secure your job. But we can discuss about each job separately, how we can secure our job and increase productivity by using artificial intelligence. If you want to know, if you are interested to know, then you can comment your job role and time taking task in your job. Next is data analysis. As we know that data analysis are analyzing huge data, but ChatGPT have potential to analyze large amount of data very quickly and create insight from that data very easily. It means you also need to learn some quick method to secure your job. You need to adopt this artificial intelligence to secure your job and to increase your productivity. Next is cyber security. As we know that like cyber security in field of cyber security also, ChatGPT can be used to detect and respond to the security threat in real time, potentially reduce the need for human cybersecurity experts. Next is like network management. In case of network management also, like ChatGPT can be used to monitor and manage the network traffic and performance. It can be automate many of the tasks that network administration currently perform, making their job easier and more efficient. If we go to next is quality assurance. In quality assurance, like ChatGPT can be used to test software and detect bug and errors. It means maybe quality assurance professional may need to adopt new role that require more creativity and human judgment. Like if we go to next job is IT support. So like in IT support, we know that like we are chatting with our customers to resolve the issues. But With the help of this ChatGPT, we can build chatbot powered by AI could potentially replace the human IT support staff that could provide technical assistance to customer and employees and reduce the need of human intervention. Like here also you can see many of the organization currently using these chatbots to resolve the issue of customer. If we go to next like non-technical fields, that is content creation. Like today content creation jobs also there, and they are writing content for different articles, but it can be replaced by ChatGPT because ChatGPT is can generate any type of content very efficiently. But here also it may require humans to read and proofreading of that content. So like you can use this ChatGPT to to secure your job and increase productivity. Like I'm not saying ChatGPT can replace human, but it it help you to secure your job and increase your productivity. Like second is translation and interpretation. Today humans are doing this, but ChatGPT can also do this. It can replace human translator and interpreter, making communication across language barrier easy and more efficient. Next is copywriting. Like in case of copywriting, it can generate marketing copy and product descriptions that could make copywriting job more efficient, but it may also lead to reduction in the number of job available in this field. Like social media management. In social media management, ChatGPT could potentially be used to monitor and manage social media accounts and respond to customer queries. Like it could automate many of the tasks that social media managers currently perform, making their job easier and more efficient. So like in every field, ChatGPT can be used, but keep in mind that it can't replace the humans. Anyway, we need humans to perform that things more accurately. Customer service. As we discuss IT support, like in customer service also we can create chatbot which can help customer queries and answers the uh, customers. So like in the field of sales also we can use this. Like it can generate the sales lead and it can take follow up with customers. This could make the job of salespersons also more efficient, but it may also lead to the reduction in number of job available in this field. Means like if we are using 10 salesperson, may it can be possible like we can use 6 only out of 10. Marketing research. In marketing research also, like ChatGPT can analyze customer data and generate insight into the customer behavior and reducing for humans marketing researchers. Like in case of data entry also, like today we are doing filling form in data entry job. So like this can be automatically it can be do automatically fill out the form and perform other type of data entry task. So like it can help data entry person also to make it more efficient, but it may also lead to reduction in the number of jobs. Chat moderation. So like in chat moderation also, like we can use chatbots for online conversation and in the forums. So here also, like we are hiring person for this purpose, so it can also reduce the number of uh, jobs. Financial analysis, like ChatGPT have uh, like this potential to analyze l- analyze large amount of data and generate insight based on that data. Means ChatGPT could be powerful tool for financial analysts and investors. In fact, some financial firm already using this technology to generate report and make investment decisions. I think I missed HR recruiting. We can cover that also. So like in HR recruiting also, like we are doing a screening resume, identify the top candidate. It can be do by ChatGPT. It could save the HR professional a lot of time and efforts, allowing them to focus on the building relationship with candidate and fine tuning the hiring process. Okay, in legal research, ChatGPT can be used for analyzing the legal document and generate summary or even identify the case law. Sometimes we are not understanding which law can be uh, possible. So that way it help you to do legal research where you can generate the summary and even identify the relevant case law. So this way it can save the legal professionals a significant amount of time and resources and allowing them to focus on the complex legal works. In healthcare also, we can use this chat gpt, like in the medical data. It generate diagnosis or treatment recommendation based on that data. like while this technology is still in its early stage, it has a potential to uh, change this healthcare sector and make medical care more uh, easily accessible and affordable for everyone. Like personal shopping, many of the organization using personal shopping, like you can do video calls, but this can be do by chat gpt. It used to recommend product to the customer based on their preference and previous purchases. It could help business to provide better customer service and increase sales while also give customer a more personalized shopping experience. So I hope you got the idea how these jobs can be replaced by ChatGPT. If you want to know how you can secure your job and how you can increase productivity in your job, you can comment below and uh, what task you are doing which is very difficult for you. We can help together to resolve this issue with the help of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is made to reduce your time, not to replace you. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.